Hello everyone, today I'll quickly show you how you can draw a sun using Python. We will make use of a library called Turtle, which is a graphic library and it's very popular amongst kids. It was mainly kids which was in the Python's developers mind when they actually developed this Turtle. So we will first import Turtle. So just let's say Turtle. So I'll do from Turtle import everything, and then we'll set the color. So we need red and then yellow. Okay, and then we'll say begin the fill of the color. So we'll do begin fill. So I'll do that, and then we will start actually drawing. So I'll say while true, and then I'll say forward, and I'll go around 200 pixel, and then left around 170 pixel. And then what we'll do is we'll check whether the absolute position of the cursor is less than 1 or not. If it's less than 1, then that means it's in the center already. So we'll just break out, and once we are out of this while loop, we will just do end fill. So I'll say end fill, and I'll do it's done. So it's done. Thank you guys, that is it. For more such videos, please follow my Python course and to learn more about Python. Till then, goodbye, happy learning, and I'll see you in my next videos.